Hi guys, the SK from DipYourVehicle. We got a set ibiza FR. We're gonna plasti dip it in chameleon CS4X, which is about 6 colors. It's red, gold, purple. There's quite a lot of colors to it, and it's gonna look mint. We're gonna do that in gloss, but first I'm gonna paint the roof in gloss black, proper permanent paint. We're gonna repair this corner bumper, and then I'm gonna plasti dip it. So it's the first time we're plasti dipping this color, and I can't wait because I've done the test and it looks amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, we finally got the FR ready for plasti dip. We repaired the corner bumper, that wing and this core panel. Passed it all up, so it's ready to go down with a black base. Then we're gonna drop some chameleons on top, lay it dry till tomorrow, then gloss it. First time we're using this chameleon on the car. It's absolutely amazing when I've done the test, so I can't wait to see how the car is gonna look like. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's see how it comes out.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. Up to knock 'em down, it's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Okay guys, I plasti dipped this car about to 8 months ago in a high gloss. As you can see, it's proper shine. You can never tell it's plastic dipped. The only reason I'm only finishing this video now because soon after I've done it, I'll lend the car to a friend who had an accident, so he was using the car for 6 to 8 months. As you can see, it's still shiny as hell. It's completely peelable. You can flatten polish also, so that's the finish. With plastic dip in CS X4, brilliant. It's got flip colors, chameleon, sometimes change to gold, sometimes change to orange, blue and purple, which is absolutely amazing. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.